Today, I acknowledge the suffering of many other Ethiopians like the Amharas. I'm here to speak about 3 generations of pain, agony, political oppression against the Oromo people. My father saw massacre. My grandfather saw massacre. My father and uncle served in prison camp, as do my younger brothers and sisters today. This is not just the story of my family, rather the story of Oromo, who constitute over 40% of Ethiopian population and occupy the most productive land. Oromia is the backbone of Ethiopian economy, with the key exports like coffee, gold, other precious minerals, and yet Oromos are the most politically, socially, economically marginalized people. I must also acknowledge that while hundreds better qualified than I can be here today, I bring a unique voice. To begin with, I'm a follower of Awaq Ifena, the much less known indigenous Oromo religion. I'm also a woman, the primary victim of human rights violation you often never hear about. And I represent a generation that knows and understands and lived in 2 different worlds, my birthplace and America, land of opportunity.